Let's go buy tomatoes. Yes! Let's go fast! Wait for me! Wobble!
Be careful! You hit the ladder!
Oh no! My new shoes! They are dirty now!
Why do you run like that? Look where you go!
We are sorry, sir.
All right, you can go, Winnie.
Thank you, sir. I am sad. My shoes are dirty. It's okay. We go home fast and clean them.
Move! Move! My bike has no brakes!
Oh my God! That was close. We almost hit the bike. Maybe I step on something. Oh no! It is a dog's tail. The dog is coming! Run! Run! Fast! Help! He's gaining! Run faster! Run faster! Over here! Oh no, a dead end! The dog will bite us. Help!
Milo, no! Do not bite! Come back!
Are you okay? We are scared. We think the dog will bite us.
I am sorry. I will teach Milo.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's go to the supermarket fast.
Yes, let's go home early.
Oh, my! God! Where are we? This is not our street. We are lost. But, wow! This place is busy and fun. Let's walk around and see. Wow, look at that. That bakery looks so yummy. Wow, these flowers are very fresh. This building looks very old. How old is it? This pizza shop is very big. Woohoo! I smell pizza. Look, there is a pet shop next to pizza shop. Oh, that dog is so cute. Hey, I see that pizza shop again. I think we walked here before. Oh no, this place is like a maze.
Oh, we are more lost now.
Oh, what do we do now? I want my mom. I want to go home.
What is wrong, kids?
I see that pizza shop 3 times.
We keep walking in this street.
Calm down. You are not lost.
This street is a circle. You walk in a loop.
How can we go out?
We want to go home. We want to go home.
Okay, follow me. I will show you. Go straight on this road. You will get out soon.
Thank you. Goodbye. Wow! Look! Look! We are back in our street.
How do we go home? There are too many roads here.
I do not know. Maybe we should rest a little. Let's sit on the sidewalk.
Move! Yeah! Move! Move! My bike has no brakes! Watch out!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
My shoes are all wet. They will be broken. Oh, they'll be fine, Bill. Don't worry. Wait, look at your shoes. The paint is gone. What? I have an idea. The paint leaves marks on the ground. Let's find the paint marks.
Yes, that is a great idea. If we follow the footprints back, we can find the house.
Let's go find the paint marks.
I do not see anything here. No marks here.
Anna, the marks go this way.
Come on, follow me. Anna! Look! That is my shoe print. We can go home. Let us follow them. Yeah! Oh no! It is raining! Whoa! Let's find a place to hide from the rain. Look! Over there! Let's go to the bus stop. Today is so bad! If we are not lost, we are at home now. We can eat Mom's cake.
It's okay, Bill. We found a new way.
Look! The paint is gone. Oh no! The paint marks are gone! Oh, yeah, the paint gone! We cannot go home!
The kids are gone for a long time. I need to find them.
This is the last place we saw the marks. Should we go left or right, Anna? Let's try right. Yes, we go right. Look, that is our house. Mom, we are home. Mom, we are home.
Who are you?
Oh no, this is not our house. How silly we are. Oh no, we cannot go home.
What? What do you mean?
Calm down. What happened?
We are new here, and we are lost.
Do you remember your house or the number?
My house looks like your house. Oh. But my house door is red. Anything else? We live next to Uncle Jack. He looks scary, but he is kind. Ah! He likes tomato juice. Yes! That is him!
All right, I know.
Go to the corner and turn left. Yeah, you will find his house. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. See you later. Hurry up, Bill. We're almost home.
Wait me, Anna. I am tired. Look, Bill. This is our house. Mom! We are home!
happened to you?
We got lost. We thought you were worried.
You were gone for 1 hour only.
You? Only 1 hour?
Yes, just 1 hour. I was going to find you.
We thought it was half a day.
Come inside and change clothes. Let's have lunch.
Yeah, yes, Mom.
Anna. Bill, are you ready for the new school?
Today is my first day at the new school. I am so excited. I don't want to go to the new school. I like my old school.
Oh, my God, look at her hair.
Oh my God, this is so scary. What are you looking at? Today, our lesson is the present simple tense. Let's find the lesson in the video together.
This street is a circle. You walk in a loop.
The present simple talks about things we do now, or things we do again and again.
Or talk about a general truth, like the Earth goes around the sun. We use subject plus verb with s or es, or base verb plus object. We add s or es when the subject is singular. For example, a table, a book, Jack, he, she, it.
Example. Anna gets up at 7 a.m. every morning. Or, they play basketball in the afternoon. For negative sentences, we use subject plus do not or does not plus base verb plus object.
For questions, we use question word plus do or does plus subject plus base verb plus object.
Example, I do not go fishing on weekends.
What do you do on weekends?
I go swimming.
For the verb to be, we use subject plus am or is or are plus noun or adjective.
Example, Jack is a farmer. Or, people in this street are friendly and kind.
For negative with the verb to be, we use subject plus am not or is not or are not plus noun or adjective.
For questions, we use question word plus am or is or are plus subject plus noun or adjective. Example, is she your teacher? No, Maria's not my teacher. That is easy, right? Now, try to make a present simple sentence in the comments.
In the next video, what will Anna and her new friends do in class?
Put makeup on Bill! Ah!
And Bill has a problem with some scary boys. What will he do?
Whoa! Ah! Let's see in the next video. If you like this, please like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.